Hey everyone, today I'm excited to dive into an in-depth review of the new Wix Studio platform. If you're a designer, developer, or marketer working for an agency or creating websites for clients, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. In this video, I'll be walking you through some of the standout features of Wix Studio, and I'd like to thank Wix Studio for sponsoring this video. We're going to touch on everything from AI-driven tools to flexible development capabilities. I'll also do a deeper dive into two of its most impressive functionalities, advanced layouts and built-in responsiveness. These features allow you to create stunning websites that look perfect on any device, all with minimal hassle. Let's start with a quick overview of what Wix Studio is all about. Now, regular Wix has been around for a long time, and it's known to be an easy-to-use web building platform. But Wix Studio is a whole different platform. With Wix Studio, they've taken things to an entirely different level. Now, I've worked with a number of website creation platforms, and I have to say, I've been really blown away by Wix Studio. The amount of control you have over every aspect of your design, coupled with the most contemporary website design functionality, including a huge array of animations and ways to create complex, engaging visual interest, it's really unmatched by its competition. Because it's designed specifically for agencies and enterprises, it gives web pros the power to deliver high-end, pixel-perfect websites without the headaches or the bottlenecks that come with custom coding. The platform has advanced design tools, built-in AI-enabled asset creation, including imagery, copywriting, and custom coding, as well as business management capabilities. Wix Studio is a complete ecosystem that's aimed for maximizing both creativity and efficiency. And because you know I love brand strategy, I wanted to mention that the brand's core promise is, quote, deliver brilliance, smash deadlines, unquote. And I have to hand it to them, they're giving web professionals a lot of ways to do exactly that. So let's run through some of the platform's key design functionalities that make Wix Studio an amazing platform to use for your agency and for your clients. First up, animations and effects. You can create engaging interactions without writing a single line of code. The sheer number of animation styles that you can accomplish in Wix Studio is absolutely incredible. Everything from hover effects to scroll animations. And I guarantee you're going to find the perfect effect to add some dynamic flair to your site. Next, there are built-in gradients and text masks. The platform also has great built-in tools for visual customization, like creating custom gradient backgrounds and applying text masks to fill text with images and videos and gradients. One of the most impressive things about Wix Studio are its advanced, precise design tools. The platform gives you complete control down to every last pixel, whether you're building from scratch or using one of their amazing templates. And then there's the AI-powered tools that Wix Studio offers. The cool thing is they're built right into the platform in a way that really speeds up your workflow. For example, you can use responsive AI functionality that automatically adjusts designs across breakpoints like desktop, mobile, and tablet. And you can use AI image and text generation too. It's integrated into the workflow to generate images and copywriting to speed up your process. If you're a busy web design agency and have multiple client projects and websites to manage and keep track of, Wix Studio has true enterprise-grade infrastructure. The functionality it has for multi-site management and its security features shows that it's really built to scale for larger organizations. Now, let's dive into a couple of the advanced layout features. If you've been working with or maybe even struggling with grids, the platform offers an incredible, intuitive way to build complex layouts efficiently. And here's why it's a game changer. First, let's talk about the section grid. In Wix Studio, creating grid-based layouts is incredibly intuitive and hassle-free. The section grid feature lets you design by selecting preset layouts, but it also allows for totally easy customization. Let's say you want to split a cell and adjust the spacing. You can do it in just a few clicks. This reduces the typical back and forth that you experience with lots of other platforms, where layout adjustments can feel really slow and really clunky. Now next up, repeaters and flexbox. Repeaters are another key tool you can use for displaying items that have the same design but have different content. Things like dynamic lists or product displays. With Flexbox, you get responsive containers that adjust automatically based on the user's screen size. Both of these tools help the design be consistent and clean across all devices, and they're really great for quickly prototyping layouts that you can adjust later on more precisely. Now, these layout tools are just a few of the things that make Wix Studio stand out as a professional platform. They give you the freedom to experiment with complex layouts without sacrificing any efficiency. And when you're working on tight deadlines, having access to a streamlined design system like this is an absolute game changer. Another feature that really sets Wix Studio apart is its built-in responsiveness. One of the biggest challenges for web designers is ensuring that your site looks great on desktop and tablet and mobile, right? Often that means manually adjusting each layout, and to be honest, that's a real time sink. Using Wix Studio, that process is now automated thanks to its responsive AI. It's an incredibly smart tool that adapts your designs to different screen sizes, literally with just a click. Let me give you an example. Let's say you've spent hours perfecting a desktop layout, and now you need to adjust it for tablet and for mobile. And instead of starting from scratch for each breakpoint, Wix Studio's responsive AI is going to take your design and optimize it for all device types. But the cool thing is you still have full control to tweak and refine them as necessary. And this functionality is going to save you hours of work, especially on more complex designs and sites. Another key aspect is that elements scale proportionately by default, so you don't have to worry about inconsistent sizing across breakpoints. But Wix Studio also has what it calls responsive packages, which let you create complex relationships between design elements, ensuring that they behave intuitively as screen sizes change. And if you need more granular control, responsive AI gives you the freedom to adjust individual sections to meet your needs. Whether you're working on a single landing page or a massive e-commerce website, the built-in responsiveness and AI tools in this platform mean that you can focus more on creativity and less on technical headaches. Now, to sum it up, Wix Studio is designed to give web professionals like you total control over every aspect of the design process. From advanced layouts to responsive AI, it's built to maximize efficiency without sacrificing your creativity. So whether you're working on a single site for a client or managing multiple client sites at scale, Wix Studio delivers the tools that you need to work smarter and not harder. And if you're interested in trying out Wix Studio for yourself, just hit the link in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a comment and hit that subscribe button. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.